What's up, guys? We're starting the video off in the JZX 100. We're heading back over to 2J Slay's house because I told you guys in the last video of his that the next video of his car, his engine was gonna be installed. So I'm heading over there right now. I'm gonna have him install his engine. Let's go! Sean's back. Yeah, I know. It's hard to get in and out of that thing, man. Yeah. The mistake and the rain. All right, let's go get this. Let's go with this engine installed, guys.
Hey, where's my gloves? I gotta have gloves somewhere.
Hey, you want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi.
Right there, baby, on those glasses.
Here it is. And it's all bolted up, clutch bolted up, jack kit bolted up, flywheel bolted up. It's on his engine hoist. He did all the hard stuff. I got the easy part, guys. I just gotta come here, help guide this thing up on in here. Yeah, it should be good since we don't have to. There's no top core support.
No,
we can go in more straight direct.
Well, I put the, I mean, this don't matter, but this so I can slide it under to level out the trans.
Where are the engine mounts?
Engine mount.
You ready to help? Those gloves are a little bit too big. A little bit. Where them fingers at? Look at them fingers.
I don't know how to put these gloves on. They keep going the same fingers.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to set you up on a time lapse. I have no idea how this is gonna work. So it's either gonna come out well, there's gonna be no footage.
What kind of sound are you turning on?
We'll see.
Because I watch your videos on.
I don't know what you guys saw, if the time lapse worked or not, but we was having some technical difficulties with basically his chase base power steering lines. They extend out like 2 or 3 inches further than like the hard lines do, so we were having problems getting the proper angle of the engine in order to clear these lines. We didn't want to smash them. And then the heater core line, the back of the firewall was also, it got smoked, but he'll just replace that, no big deal. But other than that, after 3 years, it has a heart again. So,
Fucking death.
it is hot as dog shit out here.
We in Florida.
Florida living, but it looks good to see it have an engine again. So he no longer needs my services. He's gonna bolt the gearbox up, and he's already got the downpipe and everything. Most of the intercooler piping will still fit, and he just got to reassemble some stuff. But this was the hardest part.
We just gotta make an intercooler pipe for the one side.
Yes, I'm sure I'll have Jonathan do that. But that's gonna be it for this video. I told you guys the next video on this car, the engine was gonna be installed, and it is installed. Now, I didn't tell you how long it's going to take to actually get it running again, but that's a different story. But
I mean, I got it.
We'll be before the end of the year, before the end of 2023, it'll be running again. So the hardest part is done, and he's got everything he needs. So it's just a matter of having some time to reassemble everything, get a little bit of the fab work, and it'll be alive again. I'm not sure if I'll be here for the first startup, but if not, he's got a camera. He can film it.
I'll record it.
And he'll record it. So, like, subscribe if you're happy to see 2J Slay's car with the engine again. If you made it this far to the end of the video. I know most of you guys don't, but it's all good. And that's going to be it for this one, guys. All right, Jonathan?
Peace out.
That shit on my bitches, taking my deuce and never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol grip, and still got 100 plus. Got that paper in my